We have the question, why do I need a piece of software like this? I can do the orders myself. I can hire somebody from the Philippines or India to do the orders for me. Let me show you in a very practical way why you want to use our software. So I'm going to go ahead and do an order by hand, how most people do their orders. Some people are faster, some people are slower. This is probably the normal speed that people would be doing their orders. So we're going to do a stopwatch here. I want to clear that, so okay. Okay, so I have my stopwatch. I have the order we're going to use, and we're going to go ahead and see how long it takes to do a normal order by hand at the speed that most people would do an order. Now I can do it much faster by hand. Some people would do it much slower. We're just going to do an average speed. So let's go ahead and start. Alright, so 53 seconds. Now I could have done that faster, but I have a ultra fast mouse. I have two monitors, two 27-inch monitors. I can do things a lot faster than most other people can. So I didn't want to try and do it really fast to show off. I just want to show you what it would look like. Now, you can do things faster by double clicking, by using shortcuts rather than your mouse. But it would take about 53 seconds for the average person to do an order. And if you're hiring somebody overseas, a lot of them do not have high-end computers. In fact, a lot of them are actually using small laptops. And so they're going to be much slower. If you can give them a tool like this, sign them up for this tool, it will save them time. Let me show you how much time it actually saves. So 53 seconds to put the order in. That's not counting the rest of the process, but it's pretty fast if you have a fast internet. So 53 seconds. So now let me go ahead and cancel that. Remember 53 seconds, 53.11 seconds. So that was open like that. So we're going to go ahead and start it. We're going to go over here, copy the address, paste it. 5 seconds. Almost 6 seconds. So 5.72 seconds. The address is copied and pasted in. That is a tenth of the time it took us to do it by hand. Now think about it this way. If you sell 100 orders in a month, you can increase the productivity by 90%. So now, I can even do that faster. Let me show you. So 3 seconds. So I got it copied and pasted in 3 seconds using keyboard shortcuts to go between tabs and keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste. But let's pretend that everybody does it in 6 seconds using this tool. Let's look at how much time we can save. 6 seconds, 5-6 seconds rather than 50 seconds. Let's just look at the time it takes to put in the address, which was 50 seconds manually, 6 seconds with the tool for the average person. So 50 seconds times, let's say that we do 1,000 orders. Say we do 2,000 orders a month. So that's 100,000 seconds, 1,600 minutes, 27 hours. So it takes 27.7 hours to do it manually. So let's go ahead and $3.3 hours. So using our tool, it would take 3.3 hours instead of 27.7 hours to do the same amount of orders, 2,000 orders. So 3.3 hours. Now, that's a lot of time saving. And now it's going to take longer because it takes longer than 6 seconds to complete the order. So we're probably talking more like 4, 5, 6 hours. But we're also talking more like 35, 40 hours, if not more, to complete that same amount of orders by hand. But you kind of get the picture of how much time you're really saving. 25, 30, 40 hours a month at 2,000 orders. Now think about if you're paying somebody, even from say the Philippines, you're paying them $6 an hour, which is extremely low. That's $240 in savings a month. Not to mention the increase in productivity and ability to add more products, sell more products, all that. So that just gives you a small idea of why you should be using this tool. So I encourage you to go ahead and look over our supplier list. Contact us, let us know if there's features you would like to see. Submit any bug reports you see, that would be very helpful for us. And thanks so much for signing up, and thanks for listening.